Number two is shame. Because you feel that parang a part of you is gone. And you cannot tell people about it. It's because you're scared that baka mag-backfire. Then, doon din nag-start ako nagkaroon ng distance with male figures. Kaya ako nahihirapan magkaroon ng connection with the same sex kasi I would feel distant. I would feel that I do not feel.
So, subconsciously, you are being alert.
I would always be on alert.
Self is trying to prevent that thing to happen again. So, subconsciously, your mind is protecting you na, and yung
Yeah.
instinct mo na, I should.
Tapos I would be then get bullied in school because I was always around with girls. Naging safe haven ko yung mga babae that time. They became my, parang my, sort of like my protection. Kasi I would feel comfortable around them. And maybe because I was always with my mom. So like my feminine energy would always be higher than the male energy. So yon. Until now naman, kasi parang mas prominent sa akin yung ganong energy because I am parang yung mas comfortable ako